A year of light boxes. This is my things I have learned and tips and tricks that I have picked up along the way in a year of making light boxes. I am not a Fusion professional, so I'm going to cover a lot of the things that I wish I had known early on in that process. I'm going to document basically every thought that I have and then explain why I have those thoughts and why I choose the things that I choose to do. So it's going to be long. It's a lot of content, and I'm sorry about that. But I think it's useful information all the way through. To that end, I've got this in 3 parts so far. Part 1 is vectorizer AI in Fusion. So converting images over to vector graphics and then working with those inside of Fusion to create your object meshes. Part 2 is all of these settings in Studio. I go into Bamboo Studio and literally cover every single little thing that you can configure in there and break down some of the common problems that we have from the community. There's a lot in that one for what could probably be a 30-second video, but I think it's a lot of useful information. Part 3 goes over all of the considerations to have when you're physically assembling the thing, soldering the lights together, things like that. There's probably going to be some information about WLED in there. I might make that a separate video though, because the light that I used for my example here is kind of boring. It's just a cob LED. So I do also intend on making like a 5-minute bullet point video, something that doesn't have all the explanation and all the detail. Just, step 1, do this, step 2, do this, step 3, do this. That hopefully will be coming out soon. So I appreciate your patience on that one. Before I forget, I've also created a little video intro logo thing because that's apparently something you're supposed to do on YouTube. So let me know what you think.